Hello everyone, welcome back to Elixirs of Rotaract. Today with us we have one such team who works in silence, but the results are really the one that makes the noise. So welcome the team project committee.
Hello, I am Rotakat Devratnor.
Hello, I'm Rotakat Durgesh Vaingankar.
Hi, I'm Rotractor Harshvardhan Shah.
Hi, I'm Rotractor Nikita Sunil.
I am Rotractor Rashid Siddiqui.
Hi there, I'm Rotractor Shubhadavati.
Hi there, this is Rotractor Yash Sharma.
So hello guys, hope you all are doing well. My first question for you all is, as project committee was introduced first time in this year, so could you all please explain what project committee is and how different is it from PIS?
The project committee was a committee created for all Rotaractors and the district as a whole to contribute specifically towards Rotary projects.
And it's a committee from the Rotaract District 3141 to help the projects of Rotary District 3141.
So we were a part. So one of us were a part of every Rotary project group, where we would give our contributions as to how can Rotaract contribute towards the project.
So in short, helping Rotary with their projects and giving your ideas in for better project.
Yes,
placement.
giving more ideas to contribute in terms of social media presence and what they lack, helping them with the social media presence, the digital aspect and everything.
Okay.
Like giving them a bit of the idea boost as the youth.
Okay, that's like I am sure like the viewers got a little bit extra knowledge about that. Moving on with the next question. As the pandemic hit us, we all were selected before the pandemic started. So what were your expectations and what was the reality being into the council and handling the projects as well?
So before the pandemic hit, we actually had some great plans with some really good physical and on-ground projects. Like we actually had some few really beautiful projects that we could have executed in a very nice manner. But anyways, even though the pandemic hit us, we have done it in a very fair way through an online system.
Yeah, I totally agree with Harsh, as Devrat also mentioned that our main focus totally shifted to digital. So we had a lot of expectations to work with Rotary on ground, but in a good way, it helped Rotary also, as we know we all are young and they needed a young mind in Rotary to, give that little push, that little extra support. Yeah.
That's amazing. So moving on to the next question. Now we all talked about what exactly project committee is and how were your expectations and how the reality was until now. So as project committee, you all have conducted various different events along with Rotary. So could you all please highlight upon them? How did you all assist and the project's name specifically Achhe, Annapurna, Able to Ability, Givers, Gain and Armed Forces, etc.
Hello. Yes. In this pandemic, we were not able to handle many projects, but we did few projects. Talking about street children, where we donated more than various Rotary club donated more than 10,000, around 10,000 blankets to the poor people in this pandemic. Also, distribution of meals are going still children.
All right. So I was working with Able to Ability, which is not help, but a push for especially able and disabled. So there are multiple segments. So the first segment is where we train them, and then we give them job opportunities in MNCs or startups. And the second segment is basically the NGOs. So they make diaries, bags, and food items, and then we help them to sell them, like to market them in the Rotary world, in the Rotaract world. And the third segment is where we give them the experienced people who have made a huge impact in the society, and then so that will be a booster for them to keep working on it and be a successful person in life. So these are the 3 segments we are working on it.
We are also at this project called Visionary Armed Forces, where we specifically worked up towards betterment of the armed forces and, creating an importance and respect for armed forces around the people, and even, motivating Rotractors, interactors, and everyone to, join the defense forces. So we had the various sessions and all planned online with various speakers, and Kargil War, people who had taken actual part in Kargil and all the big wars were there, and motivating the people, talking about the experiences, stories. And we had a thing around the army, defense forces, basically, not specifically army, but defense forces we have been working on.
We also had a project named Annapurna. It was done in the start of the year in the month of July, August, where we, along with the Rotary clubs and with the help of Rotractors, distributed food kits to the needy.
Yeah, these are like really impactful projects, and I would say you all have done a great job on creating an impact, especially on the youth. I was also part of Able to Ability. Like I am still a part with the Buddy Council member, and it's been great. Like helping, I couldn't say help, but yeah, being with them, talking to them, the special children as well. It is amazing how you all are like little by little trying to create an impact, and that's really great. Moving on to the next question, like what all do you see in happening with Rotary and Rotract in the upcoming years, and what do you think Rotary and Rotract should do in the future as concerned to projects?
Okay, so as we have already seen this year that the Rotary and Rotract are in good relation, and they have started working towards the different project specific so that the innovation and idea can be created. So our main focus should be more on maximizing the projects, the impact of the projects which we are having, because like Annapurna and all, we have done it. But now we are planning to maximize that. We have donated 10,000. Now the other steps, our target should be 20,000. So we should reach the masses with the things, and the projects which should be focused on next year, the upcoming year, should be related to the LGBTQI cell, and which we are already working towards it. And there are many other further things like regarding this plasma. During this COVID pandemic, we came to know that there's a requirement of plasma donors, and so we can make a portal in which all of them could join together and be a part of it and support it as we could.
One other joint venture that Rotary and Rotract can do together is membership, because both individually work to increase and strengthen membership. We can work on it cohesively to ensure both gain in really great numbers.
Yeah, that is true, and I'm sure if any Rotary person is watching, they'll listen to this, and we hopefully have a great bond in the further years.
So, guys, as we are moving towards the end of the session, we'll be playing a very fun game with y'all. Never have I ever. All these situations are related to Rotract and wherever you have been in that particular situation. You just have to show your placard of whether you have been in that situation or whether you have not. So let's begin.
So the first question is, which I believe most of you all might have done. Never have I ever given reasons to Rotarians for not attending a meeting. Like legit bahane. Being honest, I like it. Harshvardhan telling a lie.
No, I'm being honest. I always had work. They had the meetings in my office hours, so I couldn't attend it. I had a legit reason.
Reason was work.
Bahana nahi tha, legit thing. Bahana nahi diya hai, legit tha yaar, please.
Okay.
Next question. Never have I ever got distracted during meetings and missed out on points discussed.
Like slept. I have. Oh. So irresponsible then.
So it is rude. Online distraction to hoga.
Okay, so moving on with the next question. Never have I ever been questioned what actually project committee is.
इतना नहीं हुआ, इतना नहीं.
बहुत लोगों ने पूछा है ये चीज.
बहुत लोगों ने पूछा है.
Moving on to the next question. never have I ever wanted to hit my vertical head listening to his demands.
You can be honest. He wants
नहीं, इतना नहीं,
Wow.
इतना नहीं, हम लोग
नहीं,
गिरे,
sweetest vertical head.
इतने नहीं गिरेंगे यार.
Okay, so the next question is: never have I ever tried flirting with a Rotarian in the name of convincing them for projects.
नहीं, नहीं, what is-
But convince करने के लिए तो message करते ही हो ना ऐसा. Like मस्का तो मारते हो.
अच्छा मस्का बोल रहे हो
मस्का तो हाँ.
अरे,
इसका बोल रही है फ्लर्ट बोल रहे क्लैरिटी दो
नहीं हाँ. I was talking about flirting only, but I'm
Flirt
asking.
never.
I'm asking. मस्का तो करते हो मस्का मारते हो ना.
सबने किया है.
मस्का.
सबने
दादी
किया.
के
मस्का
ऊपर
मारते
किया।
हैं, मस्का
शर्म
मारते
मस्का है तो ये रहा.
मस्का है तो ये रहा.
मस्का मारा है
मस्का
बहुत
तो ये
मस्का मारा है
आंसर.
भाई
हाँ मस्त
Moving on to the last question. Never have I ever gone for a meeting only for the food.
अरे खाने से प्यार होगा तो
Many
क्या कर-
times.
perks of every meeting.
That's the reason why
हर्षवर्धन
we
is
go
saying no.
to meeting.
अबे कभी वो
झूठ बोल रहा है।
आया ही नहीं मीटिंग में
मीटिंग
ऐसा.
गया
अरे
मीटिंग
मीटिंग में गया
गया
ही नहीं ना काम
मीटिंग
से।
गया
मैं मीटिंग्स में गया हूँ और मैं खाने
अबे
के लिए
कभी
रुकता था
बताया क्या मीटिंग में?
Okay. With this, we come to the end of the session, and I thank you all for joining in. Thank you for watching till the end, and you all are doing a great job with project committee, and we really think that you created a great impact, and hoping more and more bonds happens with Rotary in the future. Thank you for joining. Until next time, bye.
And also thank